Corona Minister Jitendra Singh said that an exclusive 30% allocation of the North Eastern Council NEC fund will go for the neglected areas of the region. Singh was speaking to a Chakma delegation represented by Committee for Citizenship Rights of the Chakma and Hajong of Arunachal Pradesh yesterday. According to media reports, Singh said that the North Eastern Council, on the advice of Home Minister Amit Shah, moved a proposal which was approved at the Union Cabinet meeting. In Manipur, the coronavirus recovery rate stands at 76.41%, with detection of 337 fresh cases in the past 24 hours. The total tally surged to 14,715. Now, the active cases stands at 3,361, while recoveries at 11,245, said the State COVID-19 Command Control Room. In the last 24 hours, 5 persons died of the infection in the state. Now, the death toll spiked to 109 as of this morning. A meeting was held today at the conference hall of All Secretariat in Imphal to assess the COVID-19 situation in Manipur. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare V. Vumlunmang chaired the meeting, attended by several officials of the Health Department. V. Vumlunmang led the officials in taking Jan Andolan campaign on COVID-19 pledge. India reported a spike of 62,212 new coronavirus cases this morning, along with 837 deaths. With latest figures, India's coronavirus caseload now stands at over 74 lakh. According to the Health Ministry data, India currently has 74 lakh 32,681 coronavirus cases and 1,12,998 deaths. District Health Society Imphal East observed the 29th World Mental Health Day 2020 at Panchayat Bhavan Hall in Porompat today. The program was held under the aegis of District Mental Health Program, National Health Mission. Prizes were given to the winners of an online photography contest, which was held to mark the event. A team of Bishnupur District Commander Unit arrested a woman and seized 13,780 pieces of suspected WY tablet from her possession. The consignment of drugs was carried in small plastics. The commando team was conducting frisking and checking near Brilliance Academy at Maitram Awang along National Highway 150 when the seizure took place, a police report said. A militant was killed in an encounter with security forces in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir today, a PTI report said. Security forces launched a cordon and search operation in the Larnu area of Anantnag district in South Kashmir this morning, following inputs about the presence of militants there, an army official said. A French teacher who was shown students' cartoon of the Prophet Muhammad was beheaded outside his school in Conflans-Saint-Honorine on the outskirts of Paris yesterday. The attack took place around 5 p.m. According to media reports, the assailant, whose identity is yet to be ascertained, was shot by police as they tried to arrest him and later died of his injuries. After a gap of almost 7 months, Sabarimala temple in Kerala reopened for the devotees today. As a precautionary measure, devotees were asked to carry a COVID-19 negative report and wear masks all the time at the shrine, our media report said. The temple, which reopened for a 5-day puja on a monthly basis, will allow pilgrims to offer prayers till October 21st. US pharma giant Pfizer, which is developing a potential coronavirus vaccine with BioNTech, has said it could have the vaccine in November. Pfizer Inc. has announced that it could apply for US authorization of the vaccine by November. Meanwhile, the Russian coronavirus vaccine Sputnik V that suffered a setback in India may again resume the clinical trials being conducted by Dr. Reddy's.